How to comment anonymously on Facebook group. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out how to comment on anonymously on Facebook group. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, you need to go ahead and open up your Facebook, and before commenting, you need to understand that all of the group doesn't have that access. So if that group allows access, you will be having that feature, commenting anonymously. So let's just go ahead and look out on how to do that. For that, go ahead and tap on your profile at the top right corner. After that, you will be reaching to the menu page. Go ahead and select up the group in which you want to comment anonymously. For example, on this one right here. So when you head over to that group, you will be finding this post. So if you're looking on how to comment anonymously, you can just go ahead and tap on this comment section. And when you head over here, before you write a comment, you'll be finding your profile right here beside your right to a public comment. Just go ahead and tap on it, and when you go there, you'll be finding the second option called anonymous participant. So just go ahead and tap on it and tap on got it, and when you read the terms and conditions here, you'll be finding that anonymous comments and reactions allow you to participate without sharing your name and profile photo, which is exactly what we are looking for. So tap on got it. After that, write and comment on that particular post and post it, and no one will know your name. So that is it. That is how you comment anonymously on Facebook groups. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.